Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. We're going to see today how Delos Recap can automate your meeting summaries and synthesis. So when you first connect on Recap, you're going to have this screen minus the recap I have already done for the tutorial's sake. First, what does a recap look like once a meeting is done? It's going to be something like this. You're going to have access to the audio of the meeting, the minutes, and the literal transcription while detecting the different voices and the different people inside the meeting. And finally, the synthesis as its own. I'm going to show you how you do to change the synthesis if you want. You have different types of synthesis that are made by default that we have created for you guys. You also have the option to personalize them if you wish. That is something we're going to see in the very next video that you can also find from the home page in the tutorials page of Delos. So to change the format of the meeting synthesis, you just have to click on these little stars right here, and you're going to be able to select different formats, whether it's consulting meetings, whether it's an executive committee, anything that you have created or that has been shared to you. We're going to select a standard one, select the language English, and generate the synthesis. You're going to see that in just a few seconds, he's going to change the synthesis to adapt to what I have just selected. And there we go. I have a new meeting summary that's adapted to the topic of There we go, I have a new meeting summary that's adapted to the topic of the meeting. One last element that's interesting on this page is the opportunity to discuss with your recap in order to extract specific information, and you also have the possibility to share the recaps with different teams if you're a part of teams in your organization, or directly with a link if you wish to share it to anyone that's outside of your Delos organization. Back at the recap homepage, how do you do to automate your synthesis? Very easily. I'm just going to move a bit my head right. You're going to want to click on this button and import your meetings from Teams or from Google. And in a few clicks, you're going to see that everything is going to be automated. So if I do that, just a few moments later, I have access to all the future meetings that are available in my agenda, in my calendar. Summarizing an online meeting means that you're going to have a Delos bot, a recap Delos, that's going to be connected to your meeting. It's going to act as a classic participant of the meeting. What does that mean? That means that if you activated this little toggle button to join or unjoin the meeting, if it is joined, a Delos recap bot will knock on the meeting waiting room, and at this moment, anyone in the meeting will allow him or not to join the meeting. If he is refused in the waiting room, there will be no summaries of the meeting, of course. But that also means that if he has joined the meeting, you also always have the option to remove him from the meeting, just as any other participant. So you can very easily decide whether you want or not any meeting minutes to be summarized. An important element here, by default, you're going to always receive automatically by email your recap summaries. You and every one of the other participants of the meeting. You have the options to activate or deactivate this element from the settings of recap right here. As an organization administrator, you also have the option to deactivate that for the whole company if you wish from the admin settings. So that works for online meetings. But you can also do in-person meetings with this button top left here. If you select it, you can activate your microphone, in which case you will have exactly the same result, detecting different participants of the meeting and have the summary right in your recap. You also have the option to upload a file, MP3, MP4, to have the same result, or finally screen share if your meeting is not on a Google Meet or on a Teams. As you can see, you're also going to be able to connect to Zoom or any other online meeting software that you could be using. Finally, an interesting element to note is that you also have a mobile app for Delos on which you have Delos Recap, which means you can do meeting summaries wherever you are just with your phone. That sums it up for recap today. If you want to go into further details on how to personalize your meeting synthesis, there's a whole video on that for a few minutes that you're going to be able to access once again from the homepage and the tutorials bar. That's it for me. Enjoy the rest of your day.